What's up everyone, subscribe my channel. The camera wakes up low to the ground, the way this car prefers to be seen, the way it demands respect before it ever makes a sound. Matte black stretches endlessly across steel that once rolled out of Dearborn in 1949, but nothing about this machine lives in the past anymore. This is not restoration. This is transformation. This is a 1949 Ford Custom Lead Sled, chopped, lowered, and reborn as rolling art. The kind of car that doesn't need to shout because its presence already fills the room. As light slides across the body, you can see the intention in every curve. The roofline has been sliced and reimagined, pulled down tight over the glass like a tailored suit made for speed and silence. This chop isn't just a modification, it's a statement, turning a once upright post-war sedan into a sleek, menacing silhouette that feels closer to the ground and closer to perfection. The proportions are just right, the kind that only come from experience, patience, and an eye trained by decades of custom culture. Matte black paint absorbs reflections instead of throwing them back, giving the car a stealthy, almost predatory vibe. It's elegant without being flashy, aggressive without being loud. Every panel is smooth, every line intentional, free of unnecessary distractions. This is the essence of the Lead Sled philosophy, where less chrome means more attitude, where shaved details and clean surfaces let the shape speak for itself. Drop your eyes lower and the stance seals the deal. This Ford doesn't sit, it crouches. Lowered suspension pulls the body down close to the asphalt, creating a long, flowing profile that looks fast even standing still. The wheels tuck perfectly into the arches, completing a look that feels grounded, confident, and absolutely dialed in. This is the kind of stance that turns heads at idle and stops conversations at gas stations. But this isn't just a pretty face built to pose under lights. Lift the hood and the heart of this custom build reveals itself. Nestled inside is a small block Chevy 327 V8, an engine legendary for its balance of power, reliability, and pure hot rod soul. The 327 isn't about excess, it's about precision. It revs freely, breathes deeply, and delivers that unmistakable V8 soundtrack that defines American performance. This is the sound of tradition meeting execution, the kind of engine choice that tells you the builder knew exactly what they were doing. Bolted behind it is a TH3 50 automatic transmission, a tried and true companion that delivers smooth shifts and confidence on the road. This setup transforms the driving experience, making the car as enjoyable cruising through city streets as it is rolling down the highway. No drama, no fuss, just clean, dependable power flowing effortlessly to the pavement. This Lead Sled isn't trapped in a trailer, it's meant to be driven, felt, and experienced. Step around to the side and the chopped roof really shows its magic. The glass flows seamlessly from front to back, creating a greenhouse that feels custom in the truest sense of the word. The proportions are tight, the angles deliberate, giving the car a timeless look that could have debuted in the golden era of customs or rolled out of a modern design studio yesterday. It's retro and contemporary all at once, a visual paradox that only the best builds achieve. Open the door and the clean interior welcomes you inside like a private lounge. There's no clutter here, no unnecessary distractions, just a refined space designed to complement the exterior without competing with it. The seating is comfortable and supportive, the materials chosen for feel as much as appearance. This is where you realize this car was built to be enjoyed, not just admired from behind a rope. The dash carries that classic Ford DNA, but everything feels refreshed, intentional, and premium. Gauges sit exactly where they should, controls feel solid in hand, and the overall environment invites you to settle in and take the long way home. The cabin doesn't scream for attention, it whispers confidence, the kind that only comes from craftsmanship done right. Fire the engine and the mood changes instantly. The 327 comes to life with a deep, controlled rumble that resonates through the cabin and out into the open air. It's not obnoxious, it's authoritative. This is the sound of mechanical honesty, of steel, fuel, and fire working together the way they were always meant to. The idle alone tells a story, one of power waiting patiently beneath your right foot. Pulling away, the car glides forward with surprising smoothness. The lowered suspension doesn't punish you. It connects you to the road. Every input feels deliberate, every movement confident. This is where the Lead Sled proves it's more than a showpiece. It's a cruiser, a highway companion, A machine built for nights when the road stretches endlessly ahead and the world feels quiet enough to listen. As speed builds, the Ford feels planted, stable, and composed. The chopped roof frames the world outside like a widescreen film, turning every drive into a cinematic experience. Streetlights streak across the matte black body, reflections muted, movement emphasized. This car doesn't just travel through space, it transforms it. And then there's the presence. Everywhere this lead sled goes, it commands attention. People don't just look, they stare, they lean in, they ask questions, because cars like this don't happen by accident. They're the result of vision, patience, and a deep respect for custom culture. This is the spirit of the post-war era, reborn with modern reliability and timeless style. This 1949 Ford Custom Lead Sled represents something rare in today's world. It's not chasing trends, it's not trying to be the loudest or the flashiest. It's rooted in tradition, elevated by craftsmanship, and driven by passion. It's proof that true luxury isn't about excess, it's about intention. Every inch of this car tells a story, from the chopped roof that reshaped its identity to the 327 V8 that gives it a soul. It's a reminder that the best builds don't just turn heads, they stir emotions. They connect generations, they bridge the gap between what was and what can be. As the engine settles back into its idle and the camera slowly pulls away, the matte black silhouette remains etched in memory. Low, long, and unapologetically custom. This isn't just a 1949 Ford. This is a lead sled done right, a rolling statement of style, performance, and respect for the craft. If you live for custom cars, if you appreciate builds that balance history with modern execution, if you understand that real luxury comes from quality and vision, and then this is your kind of machine, and this is just the beginning. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel.